Time to start wagging those tails. Tonight, on the season premiere of Forever Love. The world-renowned fashion designer Vera Wang's pup Lola is on the hunt for her perfect match. We'll meet our bride and the 6 lucky dogs in the fight to win her love. It all starts now.
I'm Lola. I'm an entrepreneur, social icon, and philanthropist. You may also know me as the dog of legendary fashion designer Vera Wang. Being Vera's personal assistant is my top priority, but my life is a globe-trotting whirlwind, and I need some stability. That's why I'm here. Don't get me wrong, I've loved single life. Like, really loved it. But it's time to tie the knot and get some lucky mutt on a short leash. Italian leather with embossed platinum clasp, of course.
Woohoo! Brodie here! And 85 miles per hour with my head out the window is the way I roll. I like it fast and I like it windy. Always thought these goggles were the love of my life until I laid eyes on Lola. I'm coming for you, girl, and I'm coming in hot.
Hello, my name is Pavlov. All my life I've been a good boy. Sit, Pavlov, I sit. Fetch, Pavlov, I fetch. Roll over, Pavlov, I roll over. Seeing Lola spark something deep inside of me, I'm a bad boy. I'm a bad boy. And you can say sit all you want, but I'm jumping up all over the couch and tearing this party up.
I'm Benji. And when the person I spent every single waking moment with told me they just wanted to be friends, it was a heartbreaking loss. Well, I've been licking my wounds long enough, and this comeback story starts with Lola.
What up? Your dog Daryl here! Do I have a trick up my sleeve? What else? What else? Yep, that's pretty much all I got. But I'm betting a trick this rad will skate my way to Lola's heart.
No, I'm not trying to be difficult. It's just if you get me at this angle, my chin looks weak and I read as insincere. If I read as insincere, then I seem untrustworthy, and if I read as untrustworthy, well, where am I then? Actually, I'll tell you, I'm back in Bel Air in my big empty house, chasing my own tail. My name's Crusoe. You may know me as pilot Keith Houndstooth from the hit TV show Fetch the Sky. Or you may also be familiar with my Golden Bone winning role as Colin Pup, the rough-and-tumble construction worker from A Manhole's Best Friend. And of course, Dr. Danny Diggs in the big blockbuster smash Wiener Busters. If you read the tabloids, you probably know my love life isn't exactly full of wagging fairy tales. But I know my one true love is out there. And I have a feeling Lola is the shining star I've been looking for. If she picks me, it's for keeps.
Did somebody say Vera Wang? I am Tika the Iggy. Perhaps you have heard of me? That is a joke. Of course you have heard of me. My style has changed the world. I have my own line of clothes. I have my own line of accessories. I even have my own line of me's. I also have my own shop. It's called Butika. There's a 2-year wait list to enter. Unless you're Vera, of course. I love Vera. I would do anything for her. And I'm sure when we finally meet, she would do anything for me too. I cannot wait for Lola to fall in love with me and marry me so I can become the next international queen of Vogue.
Is Pavlov the bad boy Lola can't live without? Will Brodie take her on the wildest journey yet? Could Crusoe be the one shooting star? Or will Tika's style prevail? Who will be the lucky dog to fetch Lola her beautiful shiny diamond? A night like this just breeds drama. Coming up on Zale's Forever Love. Vera Wang's dog Lola meets her suitors face-to-face for the first time. We'll see which dogs are speaking her language and which ones are barking up the wrong tree.
Oh my God. Today is the day. How am I feeling? Well, last night I could barely touch my foie gras, and I had a serious case of the nervous squishies on my morning walk. TMI? Sorry. It's just I can't believe I'm finally about to meet Mr. Lola Wang. Yeah, if you think I'm giving up this last name, you're crazy. All right, Pavlov, now that we're alone, let me get this straight. You've always been a good boy, but now you're a bad boy. Exciting. Would you say you've become a totally different dog? What's the deal?
No, not at all. Life's all about balance, and there's room to be a good boy and a bad boy.
How zen of you. I love that. Now can I see that booty shake again?
Thought you'd never ask.
Oh! What an animal. And I thought those days were behind me. Crusoe, I've seen all your movies. You're such an amazing actor. How do I know this isn't an act?
There's no faking how fast this little dash hound's heart is racing right now.
Wow, you're good. I mean, I totally believe you. My heart's racing too. What about dangerous stunt scenes? Would you quit doing those for me?
Of course, just let me confirm with my agent real quick.
Totally understand.
I'm kidding.
My turn, Hollywood.
Hey there, Brodie. I gotta ask, what's with the goggles?
Well, for me, putting these goggles on every day is what makes life worth living. It's all about the adventure.
Oh my god, I totally get it. Not at your level quite yet, but I'm thinking about downsizing from a king-size bed to a queen.
I slept at the top of a mountain last night. 13,000 feet.
That's so rugged.
It is. Yeah, it is. But I like to spice up the harsh life out in the elements with a little refinement.
Go on.
Well, after I've hiked a steep ridgeline up to the peak, I like to build a quaint igloo, start a nice fire, and write haikus about what I've seen and experienced that day. Helps me slow down and reflect.
Brodie, that sounds amazing. Can I hear one?
Oh, all right. Alone and atop the mountain, the itch of loneliness hits. Oh wait, it's a flea.
I'm dumbfounded. When Brodie first showed up, I thought, here's a dog that's going 1,000 miles an hour and doesn't know how to slow down and sniff everything. But then I find out he's as majestic as the mountains. Maybe I have it in me to join him in a life of adventure. I wonder if Vera has a line of dog goggles.
This outfit has waited long enough. Do you like it?
If there was one thing you wanted to know about me, what would it be?
What's Vera Wang up to? You think she wants to check out my outfit?
She's not home.
Really? I think I see her head over there by the couch.
No.
Maybe you take a screenshot and show it to her later?
Sure.
Hold on, I'm changing my outfit.
So, Benji, you were in love with a human. That's so wild. Tell me more.
Well, we did everything together. Football, basketball, road bikes, we climbed mountains, we did sunset dinners on the beach. I'm gonna need a second, okay? I'm sorry. Just 1 second. Maybe 2.
I'm not going to say that I don't feel bad for the guy, but he brought more baggage to this meeting than I bring to the airport.
What up, Lola?
What else are you into besides skateboard and scooter?
Want to see another trick?
Love to. I can't believe how overwhelming this is. Sure, some of the dogs get my tail wagging more than others, but I don't want to judge a pup by its collar and make the wrong choice.
Next week, we find out which dog's bark is as good as his bite, and which one will get sent to the love bound. Who'll be the lucky dog to fetch Lola her beautiful shiny diamond? It's time for the thrilling season finale of Forever Love. We find out which knight in furry armor Lola will ask to sit and stay. Will it be Brodie, the swashbuckling super dog with a heart of gold? Crusoe, the world-renowned hound of the silver screen? Or can Tika, the Fido of fashion, land right on the runway? The answer is on the tip of our nose, but first, let's take a look at how Lola's spending her last night as a single pom.
Well, here comes trouble, Mrs. Maverick.
Lola, my dear friend, tomorrow you will be a thing of beauty. But tonight, we will rage!
I tossed and turned all night trying to decide which of these 2 studs to settle down with. I was really in the doghouse. So I turned to my best friend and personal shaman, Booby. Booby!
Lola, I knew you were going to call. Just got out of a 3-week meditation retreat. Wow, I'm seeing clearly.
Great to hear. I really don't know who to pick. What do you see for me?
I looked into my crystal tennis ball and saw a bright future for you.
How bright?
Oh, 3 carats at least. But you have to listen carefully, because what I saw could change the course of your whole life.
Come on! Ugh! The Wi-Fi connection at remote spas are the worst. I would never say my life as a high-profile pup is boring. I've been on more private jets than I can count on 4 paws. But I've never jumped out of one. Brodie is exciting, brave, and charming. Maybe taking the leap of marrying him should be the first of many. But then there's Crusoe. You have to understand, I'm constantly interacting with celebrities of all kinds. I've napped on Pomeranian's dirty laundry, played fetch with Tom Schnooze, and eaten sashimi off of Pooh Paul's stilettos. But this is Crusoe. The Crusoe. I honestly don't know if I'm going to be able to do anything but whimper. Here goes nothing.
It's finally time to unleash the lucky finalists on the breathtaking selection of engagement rings from Zales and Vera Wang. Let's see which one they'll pick to pop the big question.
These rings are as beautiful as the sunsets I've watched from behind waterfalls in the Amazon. I think this is the perfect one to give to Lola.
Look at these Vera Wang love rings.
Can hardly pick which one would be a better fit for lovely Lola. Oh, hello, handsome. I can see my reflection in this one.
And now, the moment we've all been waiting for, Lola Wang's forever love proposal.
Okay, let's do this. Hello, Crusoe.
Lola, my love, I just want to say that in all of my years of acting, I've never experienced a romance like ours. You are the comedy to my tragedy. The on to my core,
Sorry, Crusoe. You aren't the dog for me.
Can I still keep the gift basket?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, wonderful news. Good luck to you, Lola. And if you ever feel the wind of regret upon your wings...
Hi, Brodie.
Lola, now before you say anything, please let me read you this haiku I wrote. Here we go. Lewis had his Clark. I need brightness to my dark. Lola, marry me.
Brodie, yes! I will, I do!
Woohoo! I love you, Lola. I say we doggy moon in Aspen.
And with that, Lola and Brodie have proven to us once and for all that every dog does, in fact, have their day. Now, with ring in paw, this fluffy fashion heiress and her rough and tumble prince will get to live happily forever after.